Good day everybody, welcome back to my channel. A big thanks to those that have subscribed. Thank you for the views and all of that. As we all know, we are probably here to solve our problems in maths. And over time, people have been telling me to help them out with this topic I'm about to take today, which is simultaneous equation. We all know that simultaneous equation has diverse ways of solving it. So the intent is to talk about the basics, which is elimination method. So let's go to the board. Now coming to the board, you will see that I have a question which is 3x plus 2y equals 10 and x plus 2y equals 2. The question is find x and y, which is very simple. The first thing you do is indicate them its equations. 2y equals 10, this is equation 1. Then this is x plus 2y equals 2, this is equation 2. I always tell people this. When you have equations, there are ways to make your solutions very clear. So the first thing you do is I have 3x, I have x. Over time, people always ask me that, do you always eliminate x? No. When you eliminate x, you always have y. And when you eliminate y, you have what? X. Now look at the board. You observe that there is a one which you cannot see, which is really negligible. So what you do is, you can interchange these values. This will be times 1 and this is times 3. Now, you agree with me that if 1 multiplies 3, everything still remains the way it is. So that means that will be 3x plus 2y equals to 10. Now, come to the other section of the equation, which is 2. This multiplying this is 3x plus what? 6y equals to 6. Do you know what elimination means exactly? Elimination means eliminate one variable, work with the other variable. That's what it means. So with this, now class, let me say something. If you have, let's say for instance you have a minus here, the easiest way to eliminate this is to put plus here. But if you don't have a minus here, if you don't have a minus here, the easiest way to take this off is to put minus, minus, minus. Have it in mind that if you have applied plus here, it would have been plus, plus, plus. So with that will be 3x, we cancel 3x, you'll be left with what? 2y and 6y. 2y minus 6y gives you what? Minus 4y. Now, 10 minus 6 is what? 4. So divide through by minus 4, by minus 4. This cancels this, y equals what? This cancelling this will be minus 1. Now I have y to be minus 1. The question is, how do I get x? Just substitute this y into any of the equations. So many students have asked me, why are we always substituting into 1? Because as well put in 2, and you get the same answer. So when you do this, that will be 3x plus 2 into bracket. Where you have y, you replace with minus 1. Minus 1 equals to 10. So that will be 3x minus 2 equals to 10. So take this out, that will be 3x equals 10 plus 2. And that will be 3x equals to 12. Now divide through by 3. X will be what? This here 1, this here 4. X will be what? 4. Class, I have y to be minus 1. I have x to be what? Minus 4. I tell my students this, that whenever you get answers for simultaneous equation, it is good for you to check. How can you check? Pick any of the equations and check, like as I'm going to do. Let me try it on equation 1. If I have 3, what is x? X is 4. And I have y is minus 1. We put that here. Let us see if truly this gives me 10. 3 times 4 is what? 12. Then 2 times minus 1 will give you what? Minus 2. And that is 10. And that is good because we add 10. Let me also check the other equation to confirm. I have x plus 2y equals to 2. X is 4. Then y is what? Minus 1, which is here. So if you have minus 1 here, so let's see if truly we have 2. 2 times minus 1 gives you what? Minus 2. That's 4 minus 2, and the answer is 2. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I get wonderful videos like this. See you in my next class. Bye.